when you go through the development process of a new product, inevitable you're going to hit some challenges. And what I seem to see a lot is people just rolling dice and hoping for the best. You know, we'll try this, hopefully that'll work. It's not the way you communicate it. You communicate it that with absolute certainty, this is going to be the problem, and once we do this, it'll be fine. We'll be on track, we'll be on budget, we'll be on schedule. But really, they're just rolling dice, and they're hoping to get the shape that they want. And if you're familiar with Yahtzee, how many times you roll, in Yahtzee, you have a chance space. So if things don't work out, you just add up the dice, put it in that cell. But you only got one chance per game of Yahtzee. So if you roll that dice and it doesn't work out, you just don't keep rolling the dice. You fill in your chance space, and you got to make some big sacrifices after that. I think in product development, we keep using that chance space a lot more than we actually have. I would also argue, using that same analogy, that people they're rolling the dice hoping for a Yahtzee, but they're actually starting with 2 dice. And again, if you're familiar with the dice game, Yahtzee means all 5 dice have the same number in 3 turns. If you only have 2 dice, you have no chance to get 5. But people are rolling the dice, they've already filled up chance, they only have 2 dice, and they roll hoping to get 5 of the same number, which is obviously impossible to do. If you want to do your product development, and it's okay to roll the dice every now and then, but if you've rolled it, you fill up that chance box, if you want a Yahtzee, if you want a product to success, give us a call at Perry Solutions to help set up a strategy for your early definition, for your problem solving, and for your validation approach, so that you have a strategy that can be successful, hit your Yahtzee, and win the product development game. Call us here at Perry Solutions. We'll help make that happen for you.